becoming a makuahine changed your relationship to your partner?
Well, my husband he's a competent man.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
He is makua.
Ahe pono.
Ahe pono. Yeah, ahe kino pono. He's just very lako. And so
Yes,
I think all of the things that we carry for community, that we carry together, I wouldn't be able to do that without, the strength of him. And each time we've had a baby, he carries not just me and all of my issues and all of the things that I'm going through in the birth process, which is many. But he's able to set space. He's able to hold ceremony. He's able to just hold me in the way that is needed for me to birth what is needing to be birthed. And 3 times it was children, but hundreds of times it was other things, I often tell a story where he fell asleep while I was giving birth, and it was such this torturous experience for me. But the experience the message that he was given during that sleep time was crucial for the safety of our child.
Wow.
And so the confidence and clarity of what he carries is really that, you're talking about what is sexy. That level of poʻohiwi nui, of kua paha, of lawakua. It's like that. All of that is it's not just attractive because I'm ono for it. Yes, it is. But I have shit to do. I have things I carry too. And to have that kahua for me is so important.